Hey everyone, Ms. Joelle here. This video is going to be walking you through how to log your hours for tutoring. I will put some of this information in the email as well, but please use this video to walk you through step by step. If at any point some of the steps that I'm showing aren't working for you, please reach out to me and let me know, okay? So you're going to start at lbschools.net. And I have not tried this as a student, so I'm not sure which portal you're going to need to use. Try your student portal first. So go to Students, select Student LBUSD portal. Once you log in to your portal, I'm going to have you search for the time capture, which is where you log your hours. If you search in your student portal and it's not coming up, try the employee portal because you may be classified as an employee now since you've been hired by the district. So try student first. If that doesn't work, come to your employee portal. I'm going to do employee because I'm obviously not a student. Once you sign into your portal password should be your regular student ID and 6-digit birthday or whatever your normal login is for LBUSD stuff. You're going to come to this little search icon and you're going to type in the word time. Okay, and you're looking for this one, daily time capture. Okay, so again, if this doesn't show up under your student portal, try the employee portal and it should work. Hopefully it's under your student portal though. Once you are in your daily time capture, you're going to click. You should be logged on just because you're already in your portal, but if for some reason it asks you to sign in, please use your first initial last name and your 6-digit birthday. So like mine would be Joelle and my 6-digit birthday. I don't think it's going to ask you to sign in, but if for some reason it does, that's what you do. Okay, so date. It's going to ask for the date you worked. However, this is so important. This only lasts for 2 days. So after 2 days, you cannot log your hours anymore. So you have to make sure that you do this right after you sign off of tutoring. Okay, so you tutor on Wednesday, you come right here, you fill out your time card so that you make sure you get paid. So I'm going to select the date. So let's pretend I'm doing today. Obviously the site, you're going to scroll down and it is Poly High School. Please make sure to click the right one. And then click the button, select date and site. Once you do that, here's where you enter your time. So when you select your assignment type, you're going to select hourly classified. You are going to be paid for 1.5 hours because you are getting paid from 2:30 to 4. So unless there's something weird and you came late or whatever, you're going to put in 1.5 hours. For the replacing remarks, I would put tutoring and then the date. So I would put tutoring for 14 or whatever on the 14th if I'm doing that. And then you're going to click the button that says add. It's going to tell you it's been added. And then right down here, you're going to see that. So I put in Polytech, hourly classified. Here's my hours, and it's for tutoring on this date. I would do that so that you make sure you have a track of like, oh, did I put in to get paid for that day? So that way you kind of have a running tab of what days you've put in to be paid for. If you make a mistake, or like me right now, I did not work an extra hour and a half today, so I am going to delete that. And then you're good to go. Okay. Again, if for some reason anything in that process didn't work for you, please let me know. And I will reach out and see if I can get your problem fixed. All right. I will see you all Wednesday. Reach out if you have any questions. Bye.